So today, let's talk about VSHR Pro Academy and how VSHR Pro Academy is empowering companies by people, expertise, and strategy. And more importantly, let's also talk about how VSHR Pro Academy can help and bring value to you as well too. So let's get started. So in VSHR Pro Academy, the key value is this. VSHR Pro Academy help other companies to be more productive and effective and more profitable. And that is one of the key reasons all the key other clients, like all those multinational companies, like to work with VSHR Pro Academy, because VSHR Pro Academy help those companies to be more productive, effective, and more profitable too. So how VSHR Pro Academy becomes today? It's the core reason of becoming VSHR Pro Academy is this. VSHR Pro Academy was spending almost 3 years period of time doing research among 150 companies around Vietnam to understand different kind of people, process, and cultural problem. There's a lot of people was complaining about this one. They were not happy because they were not developing, they were not pursuing what they wanted to become. And VSHR Pro Academy wanted to solve that problem, and that was the purpose of doing the research. So after conducting that 3 years of research among 150 companies all over Vietnam, so then VSHR Pro Academy developed this VSHR Pro Academy Workforce Transformation Solution. So inside the Workforce Transformation Solution, there's a solution for people, which is about talent acquisitions, recruitment services for other companies, and also have a management training solution, help companies to design and deploy management training solutions so they can recruit, create amazing talents to boost their company futures. The second part of this one is about the training solution. So there is a online training, offline trainings, and also 3 to 6 month long comprehensive training solution there as well too. And in terms of the strategy pole, VSHR Pro Academy also providing different kind of solutions like employer branding and also adding more resources for the internal HR department, and more importantly, human and process culture audit as well to help companies to understand what are the key things they're really doing well in terms of HR, what are the key things they need to do it better as well too. So now we've been doing a lot of work in VSHR Pro Academy and working and helping them to solve different kind of problems. So check it out, the customer feedback, different kind of amazing feedback we have received from our customers and clients. You can just QR code it here and you can see it in from the scan of the website. You want to know more about the detail of the solution of the VSHR Pro Academy, check out the QR code and you can know more about how this detail of this solution is working on as well too. And more importantly, how the capability we have in our team. Currently, we have almost 100 plus trainers and almost 1,000 years of experience accumulated together. And the trainers can speak different language, English, Vietnamese, Japanese, French, and Korean as well too. So we providing all those different languages, training solutions to our clients, because Vietnam is diversified right now. A lot of international companies are in the ground, and we are helping them to work on in different language to support their team as well too. So you can see them key team players of our team members, 3 leadership team members of VSHR Pro Academy. We have Mr. John, we have Pedro, and we have Alex. They have a lot of experiences too, who are putting their brain together to take the Pro Academy forward. We have a very international cultures with a dynamic different team members and Pro Academy as well too. And this is the thing, we have a lot of career opportunity for you. In VSHR Pro Academy, we're constantly looking for management role, we're looking for a junior executive, and also have a management training. So if you're a student going to be graduated in the next 1 or 2 years, go ahead and apply for the management training program. If you have already graduated and looking for a new opportunity and you are first 3 years of career, there's a lot of junior executive role too. And if you are already been working 2-3 years and looking for a manager role, then there is a management role as well too. So go ahead and scan that QR code. You will see all the opportunity. You'll learn more about the culture, all how VSHR Pro Academy is working and helping each of the team member to become successful. And you will be able to find your right suitable role in the link and submit today. So here we go. VSHR Pro Academy is here to empower, recruit, and growth as a true business partner about people development for the companies. And we would love to have you to join our team. And if you're already working with a company, let us know what the problem you're facing in your company. We would love to help work with you and empower your business.